Thank you very much for coming. So this is my first tutorial, not the first video. I had one video already. It's the introduction. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make this really cool looking after scroll type of website. And we are only going to use the HTML and CSS for that. And let's see how it looks, the final result. Okay, so this is the website right here. I have like 5 pages. Yeah, and I'm just going to scroll just a little bit. You can see on the right side on the scroll bar. I'm just going to scroll a little bit. Oh, looks like it doesn't work that way. I'm just going to use my mouse button now. Yeah, it works like that way. So you can see, right? I just scroll a little bit and it just auto scrolls to the next page, really smooth. And it also works to the upper side. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's go straight into the video. And if you like, don't forget to subscribe, and you can always change your mind, it's free. Okay guys, so let's start to the tutorial. First we will do the HTML part, and after that we are going to make the CSS parts. Okay, so let's just start with the HTML. So let's make the body first, and we are going to make the 5 pages, and each one of them is going to be the section, and each one of them they're gonna have like the 100% view height. So let's just say let's make the parent class first, which is going to be the main, and inside of them I want to have a section. I want to have the 5 section, and on each one of them I want to have a h1, which content or which text will be heading, and a number. Let's give a tab, and there we have it. So let's open with the live server. Here we have. Okay, so now I want each one of these to be in the middle. Okay, so this is the HTML part. We are only going to do this much on the HTML. We have one parent class, which is the main, and we have its style, which is the section. So let's just start with the styles. I'm just going to use the style right here. I'm not going to make a new style, new CSS document for this one. Okay, so I want to remove all the default margin and padding, which is, you can see right here, it has the default margin. I want to remove everything. Margin 0 pixel. You can see right now that it removes its default. I want padding to be 0 pixel as well, and I want the box sizing border box. Okay, so now let's start with the style. So let's just start with the style of the main, and I want the main overflow y, which means the overflow vertical. When we are scrolling the vertically, I want it to be the scroll. I don't want to hide it. So, and I want to hide the overflow x, yeah, which is like the horizontal. I don't want no horizontal scrolls, it looks bad. And I want the height to be 100%, and in order to work that 100%, I need to set the HTML and body height 100% as well. Okay, so now I want each of the sections to have 100% height 100%. There you can see each one of them have like 100% full view height right now. And I want each of this heading to be in the center of the page. So let's see how can we do that. I'm going to use the display flex for that, which is really easy. We're just going to use display flex and align item center, which what it does is it brings this heading one to the middle of the page, the align items center. Let's see, it's right there, and I want this one to be in this middle as well. Let's use justify content center for that. Justify, here it is, center. Let's go. And maybe I want the font to be bigger. Let's see, I want the section h1 font size to be 23 rem will be good here. Yeah, that's done well. Maybe it's a little bit too big. 2.5 I would say. Yeah, that looks good. And for the font family, I want to use Pacifica, and we are going to use these fonts from the Google fonts. Just go to the Google fonts and search for Pacifico. I'll also make sure to put this link in the description, and I'm going to use the CSS version of it, which is just important. That's all. I'm going to import it right at the top of the style document, and here we have it. Looks really cool. Okay, so now let's make a different color for each of these pages. So I want the section and style, which selects the number of the child. For example, the and style 1 means the first one, the 2 means this one. Oh, okay, I'm going to use this one for the 2, for the 3, for the 4, and for the 5. Okay, and I want the background color to be F. I'm using the custom colors F0 B 9B9. This is what I want. I want the page 2 background color to be F7 ED93. Okay, this looks good. And I want this background color to be, maybe let's go with the 6C F595. Let's see how it looks. Okay, looks really cool. And maybe I will leave this one just like the white one, and the fifth one background color to be EC79 F7. Let's see how this looks. Okay, this looks better. So now you can see I just scroll a little bit and it's not auto scrolling, right? And let's make that. That's why we are here, right? So first we go to the parent class, in which each of these sections are, which is the main class, which is the parent of all these sections. And I want each scroll snap type. There is one thing, scroll snap type and scroll snap align. These two are the main key to use this auto scroll. So on the parent class we are going to use the scroll snap type. What type of scroll we want? We want the Y, which is we want it to scroll vertically, and the scroll type will be mandatory. And now if we scroll, it's not working. Of course it's not, because now we need to do something to the child class. This is very important. We need this to put in the parent class, and I want, when I scroll, I want the child class to be to scroll to the top of this page, which is scroll snap align. I want it aligned. When I scroll, where do I want it to go? I want it to go to the top of this page, like this one, to the top, right? So let's say start. And now if I scroll, it auto scrolls. There we have it. Looks really cool, right? And you can also do it from the down to up side. So there you have it, guys. And if you really enjoyed it, it will really appreciate if you like and subscribe. And yeah, I will make new videos on every Saturday or Sunday. Thank you very much.